Okay, replacing a thermostat on a 2004 Mercedes C230 1.8 liter supercharged. It's pretty easy to get to once you get this cover off of here. The thermostat is right there. I ordered one offline. It's non-branded, so if it's giving me an issue later down the road, I will go ahead and replace it with Bosch. But for right now, that will do it. And I'm getting a code for thermostat, so it might be stuck. It's not opening, so we'll go with that. Easy fix. And you have two bolts right here. They are E10 torque. And in order to get to it, like I said, take the cover off. We're gonna remove this air hose off of here. There's two clips here. Push down and just pull out. And then we have this clamp here holding. Just gonna turn, twist to get it out of there. There's this clip right here. You're gonna pull this up in order to pull the hose off. And I'll have a catch pan down. Whatever's gonna come out, it's gonna fall in. And later we'll add more antifreeze. So right now I'm gonna remove that clamp and then take these bolts out. Try not to spill much from this hose. Stay right there. We're gonna replace this gasket here too. Came with the thermostat, and there's a gasket inside. Bolts are pretty long. Gotta be careful when you take them out. Put everything inside, and you have to be careful with this housing. It's plastic. When you tie this, just enough to hold it. You don't want to over torque it because you can crack. Then you have to order a new housing. Sometimes when you purchase the thermostat, actually comes with the housing. You really have to wiggle this to get it out. And when you do, that's what comes out. So I will clean, take the thermostat out. This is definitely original. Everything's original on there. Compare to the new one. Don't break it now. Yeah. So this one's 90. Okay, we are back. It's all clean. This new gasket is gonna go on here. It fits half on and half is just hanging off of it. So when it sits, you gotta make sure it sits properly. So as you can see inside, the way this sits, it can only go one way. Can't go this way. It's to go the other way. So I'm gonna put this smaller piece in, then the other one is gonna kind of click in place. I'm gonna check around, make sure that's gapped. Same gap all the way around. So we are done with this part. I'll leave that right there. Now, we have one more O-ring right here on the hose itself. Take it off and then put a new one. If it did come with the new one, if not, wipe down.